Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the Captain Jack tweezer mission in the new Fish It update. First, just go to Tropical Grove and talk to the Captain Jack to accept the quest. And after that, just tap on the quest menu and choose tweezer or lost tweezer like this. And then your mission is to collect 5 tweezer tasks. You can only find this chest during the tweezer hunt event, which is marked by a tweezer icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. And when the event starts, just turn on your radar and head to the marked tweezer locations in the oceans, and make sure to use diving gear, dive down and collect the tweezer chests. And keep searching and repeating this until you get all 5 chests. And once you're done, you will automatically receive 40,000 coins as a reward. And for a detailed guide on finding tweezer chests, you can check out my previous video, and the link is in the description. Just click it. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!